If you think you need a fat paycheck to start building wealth, think again. Because in this video, I'm going to show you how to start investing, even if you're making just 15,000 rupees a month. That's right, sounds impossible. Well, the harsh truth is, if you can't manage 15,000 well, you'll struggle with 1,50,000 too. Money problems aren't about how much you earn, they're about what you do with it. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you won't just understand how to invest. You'll believe that you're already capable of becoming wealthy. Even if today your bank balance is shouting, broke boy. And no, skipping your iced coffee won't make you a millionaire, but your mindset just might. Let's break this down. Imagine this: you're 28, your friends are buying homes, investing in stocks, vacationing in Europe, and you, still wondering where your money went every month. Still thinking, I'll start investing once I earn more. But here's the catch: time is the single most powerful force in investing. The earlier you start, the less money you need to build massive wealth. Let me show you something. If you invest just 1500 rupees per month from age 20 at a modest 12% annual return, by the time you're 45, you could have over 23 lakh rupees. But if you wait until 30 to start, you'd need to invest more than triple that amount to catch up. Now ask yourself, can you afford to wait? The cost of waiting is invisible, but the regret, that stays with you. So how do you start investing with just 15,000 a month? Let's get into the strategy, where every rupee has a role. You don't manage what you don't measure. So we start with intentional budgeting. Here's a simple yet powerful framework: the 50-30-20 rule, tailored for 15,000 rupees, 7,500 for needs like rent, groceries, transport, 4,500 for wants, chill scenes, Netflix, that overpriced burger, and 3,000 rupees, that's your savings and investment. Now, I know what you're thinking. 3,000 isn't going to make me rich, bro. But let me ask you this: what's your alternative? Blow it on impulse, or build the habits that future millionaires live by. You can YOLO now, or you can compound interest YOLO later in Bali. Before you invest a single rupee, protect yourself from life's oops moments. Start with an emergency fund. Your goal: 30 to 45,000 rupees, or 2 to 3 months of essential expenses. Break it down. Save 1,000 to 1,500 per month in a high yield savings account or a liquid fund. In 2 years, you'll have your buffer ready. Think of it as financial armor. Because investing without an emergency fund, that's like skydiving without a parachute. Now, once you're protected, it's time to make your money grow, even while you sleep. Here's where it gets exciting. Start a monthly SIP, systematic investment plan, in an index fund or a balanced mutual fund. Why index funds? Low cost, passive growth, long term, compound magic. You can begin with just 500 rupees per month. Let me tell you, it's not the amount that matters now, it's the discipline. It's building that muscle. You're not just investing 500, you're investing in a mindset shift, in freedom, in options. And seriously, when was the last time 500 rupees gave you anything better than pizza and regret? Now, here's the rocket fuel. Don't stop at just investing money. Start investing in yourself. Learn a high income skill: freelancing, coding, content creation. Even if it earns you 5,000 extra a month, guess what? That's 100% profit margin. Invest that entire amount. No lifestyle inflation. But the real question is, once you've done all this, what happens next? Fast forward 5 years. You're no longer surviving paycheck to paycheck. You have an emergency fund, a growing investment portfolio, extra income streams, and most importantly, peace of mind. While others are still waiting for the perfect time to start, you've already built momentum. And the best part? This strategy scales. As your income increases, so does your investing power. Compound interest turns from a whisper to a roar. But here's where many people fall short: they start investing, and then stop. Why? No clarity, no roadmap, no accountability. What if I told you, in the next video, I'll take your exact salary and show you exactly how to manage it, from emergency fund to investments, all the way to building your future corpus? Would you want to see how your future can look on paper? If this video sparked something in you, that little voice saying, I can do this, then don't let that fade. Now is your time. No matter your salary, no matter your past money mistakes, this is your financial origin story. And your next chapter starts right here. So hit that subscribe button on my channel, Play, Pay, and Plug, where money meets mindset and wealth starts with wisdom. Tap the end screen now to watch the next video where I take your real salary and show you exactly how to budget, save, invest, and build your financial empire, step by step. Let's turn your salary into a strategy. Let's build wealth the smart way. Subscribe, stick around, and let's grow together.